টিটিএফ কলকাতা 2024-এর প্রথম দিনেই আকর্ষণের কেন্দ্রবিন্দু হয়ে উঠেছে থাইল্যান্ড ট্যুরিজম। এক অসাধারণ প্যাভিলিয়ন দিয়ে তারা দর্শকদের মনোরঞ্জন করিয়েছে। যেভাবে থাইল্যান্ড ট্যুরিজম ভারতীয়দের মধ্যে ছাপ ফেলেছে তা সত্যি অভাবনীয়, এবং সে কথা পরিষ্কার জানালেন থাইল্যান্ডে কলকাতার রয়্যাল থাই কনসুলেট জেনারেলের কনসাল জেনারেল সিরিপন তান্তিপান্নাথে। আসুন শুনে নেওয়া যাক তিনি ঠিক কি বললেন।
Sawadika, Namaste. Welcome to our amazing Thailand Pavilion. It is an absolute pleasure for us to participate in the TTF again. Thailand and India share cultural heritage dating back thousands of years, and I'm really looking forward to fostering this special bond of friendship and partnership between Thailand and India, particularly here in Kolkata. And India is very important for us in terms of tourism. Last year we had the honor to welcome about approximately 1.62 million visitors from India, and I would like to invite you to visit our pavilion and discover why Thailand is so beloved by the Indian travelers. This is for very good reasons. First of all is proximity. It's just only 2.5 hour direct flight from Kolkata to Bangkok. And did I mention that we also offer visa-free entry for Indians, making visiting Thailand super easy and incredible convenience for Indian travelers. The Kingdom of Thailand also offer very diverse attractions to India, that is blend between the cultural experience and exquisite Thai food, white sandy beaches, crystal clear blue seas, and also lively shopping, and what else? Festivals and much more. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite our Indian friends to please visit Thailand. It's so close here, just a short hop from India. Go and see for yourself. Welcome to Thailand. Thailand, we offer luxurious yet very budget friendly. You see, this is one of the most affordable luxury for Indian travelers, with the visa-free entry for Indians. So never been easier to visit Thailand. Well, this amazing paradise is so close to India. Please come.